forecast was right on in terms of timing, but let's just say that we got a little bit more than light showers out of this one. Got a nice pattern on it. These really sparkle a lot in the sun, but it's kind of small. We'll leave it. We'll leave it for the next guy. And here's one of those. I've always called these a jasper. I'm not sure why they have the eyes on them. Yeah, this is a nice one. We're about to see these rocks wet, and it's going to be fabulous. All right, it's a little more November-y now. The rain has started. It's getting to where it's hard to even stand up. This is what we do for the love of the hobby. Kind of raining sideways, so half of every rock is wet and half is dry. But I did spot this guy. Perhaps it looks, I think it just kind of looks a little green because of the light, but we're going to let that one go. Oh yeah, these are getting colorful. Oh, now it's snowing and hailing. Oh, beautiful granitic rocks here. Look how the colors come alive. Oh, nice porphyry. Very nice porphyry. Oh yeah. Don't have my spray bottle, but it's raining with plenty of force here. Check that out.